In today's video, how to super useful feature in Affinity, Snapshots. If you've ever wished you could set a checkpoint in your project and return to it later, this tool is going to make your workflow so much easier. Snapshots in Affinity let you capture the exact state of your document at any moment, almost like taking a quick checkpoint as you work. For example, here I have a spiral design. Since I want to save my progress at this point, I'll go up to Document and choose Add Snapshot. I could give it a custom name, but the automatic date and timestamp work fine, so I'll save it as is. After this, I continue working on my design. Unfortunately, let's imagine I make a mistake that completely ruins the project. Instead of panicking, I can simply return to the saved snapshot. I go back to Document, select Restore Snapshot, and there I'll find the one I created earlier. Unlike Photoshop, where snapshots vanish once you close the program, Affinity keeps them stored with the file. That means even if you close the software and reopen your project later, your snapshots are still available. By clicking the snapshot, I'm instantly taken back to the exact moment when I saved it. This makes it easy to keep one file with multiple saved states, rather than needing a whole lineup of versions like File 1, File 2, File 3, and so on. And that's how simple and powerful snapshots are in Affinity. They can save you tons of time and help keep your projects organized. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips on improving your Affinity workflow. Thanks for watching.